how to empty storage on Google Drive. So basically, if you want to empty the storage on Google Drive, it is actually quite simple. The way I would recommend is you can simply open Google Drive app if you have, or you can go to drive.google.com. Now, the reason, first of all, you might have Google Drive storage full is due to some unnecessary files that are backed up to Google Drive. Also, if you use Google Drive on computer on phone and you have turned on sync and all of the files are being synced to Google Drive for backup, then you want to turn off sync as well. But when you come to drive.google.com, you will see many options. First of all, you can go to My Drive. You will see all the files that are shared with you across all Google platform, which could be on Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, and so on. So these are all the files that you have, and if you want to get rid of them, first of all, you can select that and then hit the Move to Trash app icon to be able to go ahead and then move those to your optional or trash. So these are the apps that are across all your Google services, by the way. So this is not only on Google Drive, but the ones that are on Google Sheets and other options, as I said right here. But obviously, as I said, you can go ahead and then choose to move all of these to your trash. So once you've deleted these files, you can also go to spam folder to see if you have got any spam files. But you can also actually, first of all, go to trash, and these items will still be stored here, but you can choose to completely empty the trash. This will clear out some storage. You can go to storage settings to see which files are occupying more space in a Google Drive storage. And some of it are also occupied by Google Photos, by the way. It's not just Google Drive, but if you have got Google Photos backed up in your Google account, then those are also occupying the space. So in that case, you can actually go to photos.google.com, and from here, you can actually just clear out unnecessary photos too. So in this way, you should be able to go ahead and then basically clear out unnecessary photos and clear out your Google Drive storage. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.